In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves battling a silent yet relentless foe within our own bodies: inflammation. Did you know that persistent inflammation is the root cause of many chronic health issues? These range from thyroid disorders and autoimmune diseases to chronic fatigue, stomach problems, and ongoing body pain or joint stiffness. You may have tried various medications or diets, but what if the key to relief lies in something simple, a daily drink? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a superfood drink that holds immense potential in reducing inflammation and improving your overall health. Now let's delve deeper into why this drink is so important, the science behind its ingredients, and how it can help you achieve better health naturally. Before we dive into the recipe, it's crucial to understand why inflammation is such a significant issue and how this drink offers a natural solution. Inflammation, while necessary for healing and disease protection, becomes a problem when it's chronic and overactive. It can lead to a wide range of health issues like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. But did you know that simple lifestyle changes like what you consume can significantly impact inflammation levels? This drink is your weapon against chronic inflammation. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can actively manage and reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating symptoms and improving your overall well-being. So if you want to take control of your health and reduce inflammation naturally, keep watching. I promise you this knowledge could be a game changer for you. Now let's explore the 7 amazing ingredients that make up this anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Each ingredient has been carefully selected for its unique properties and benefits. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a spice that adds flavor to your dishes, but also one that packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Among the various types of cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, is particularly notable for its high antioxidant content and low levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. The active compounds, cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, are responsible for cinnamon's distinctive aroma and powerful effects. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your body's tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, the antioxidants in cinnamon help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of cinnamon have been studied extensively, showcasing its ability to reduce swelling and discomfort. Cinnamon also helps improve insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps maintain steadier blood sugar levels. This is crucial because high blood sugar can exacerbate inflammation. Furthermore, cinnamon boosts circulation to vital organs like the liver, aiding in nutrient delivery and waste removal. 2. Cardamom. Cardamom is often overlooked, but this spice is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Its active compounds, alpha-terpineol, delamone, and cineol, contribute to its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Cardamom also aids in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and gastric juices, which help break down food and absorb nutrients efficiently. This is essential for gut health and preventing digestive discomfort. Additionally, cardamom supports gut immunity, strengthening the gut barrier and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. A healthy gut is crucial for managing overall inflammation in the body, and cardamom plays a significant role in achieving this. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the digestive tract and reduce irritation, which is particularly beneficial for those with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Cardamom also helps relax smooth muscles in the digestive system, aiding in the passage of food and preventing constipation. It's a fantastic pairing with cinnamon, enhancing the anti-inflammatory effects of both spices when consumed together. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, is renowned for its vibrant yellow color and remarkable health benefits. The active compound curcumin gives turmeric its anti-inflammatory prowess. Studies have shown that curcumin works as effectively as ibuprofen for certain inflammation-related pain. It's a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent, making it ideal for soothing joints, muscles, and even organs. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help alleviate discomfort and promote overall well-being. 4. Black pepper. Black pepper is not just a spice that adds a kick to your meals, but also a secret weapon in the fight against inflammation. The active compound piperine found in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric by over 10 times. This is a game changer, as it allows you to harness the full anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric. Piperine also boosts the absorption of other nutrients from the ingredients in your drink, ensuring you get the most out of each sip. 5. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile root that's not only a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. The active compounds, gingerols and pyridols, are responsible for ginger's unique properties. These compounds have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. Ginger is known for its ability to alleviate discomfort and promote flexibility, making it a popular choice for those seeking natural pain relief. Additionally, ginger helps soothe the digestive tract, providing relief from irritation and nausea. Anti-inflammatory properties help reduce digestive discomfort and promote healthy digestion. As a strong antioxidant, ginger protects your cells from oxidative stress and reduces inflammation. By incorporating ginger into your daily diet, you can tap into its remarkable anti-inflammatory benefits and support your overall well-being.
6.
Lemon or lime? Citrus fruits like lemons and limes are not only refreshing and flavorful, but also packed with essential nutrients that support your health. The vitamin C content in these fruits is crucial for reducing inflammation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. By including lemon or lime juice in your drink, you boost your antioxidant intake and support your immune system. Additionally, vitamin C aids in the production of collagen, a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin, joints, and blood vessels. This is important for overall health and vitality. When combined with other antioxidants like those found in green tea, lemon, or lime juice, work synergistically to enhance their anti-inflammatory effects. 7. Tea base, green tea preferred. The base of our drink is green tea, which is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Green tea contains epigalloctecin, gallate, EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation. EGCG helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that green tea can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Opting for loose-leaf green tea ensures you get the most antioxidants according to research. However, if you dislike green tea, you can use regular black tea, although it has slightly fewer antioxidants. Let me show you step by step how to prepare this powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pan. Once the water reaches a boil, turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of loose green tea or 1 tea bag. To this, add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If using whole spices, lightly crush them to release their aromas and enhance their flavors. Next, add a few black peppercorns or a pinch of ground black pepper to the mix. Lastly, add 1/2 inch of fresh grated ginger or 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Allow the ingredients to steep in the hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the antioxidants and active compounds will infuse into the water, creating a potent anti-inflammatory brew. After steeping, strain the mixture into a cup to remove any solid particles. Then add the juice of 1/2 a lemon or 1/2 a teaspoon of bottled lemon juice. This citrusy addition not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional vitamin C, further boosting your antioxidant intake. Now, you're ready to enjoy the benefits of this remarkable drink. Sip it slowly over 10 to 15 minutes without gulping, allowing your body to fully absorb the powerful ingredients. It's best to consume this drink in the morning, either early in the day or later in the morning on an empty or light stomach. This ensures optimal absorption of nutrients and helps kickstart your metabolism. For seniors, it is important to sip slowly to avoid stomach upset and to ensure better nutrient absorption. Ceylon cinnamon is a gentler option for long-term use, especially for those who are older. However, if you're on blood-thinning medication, it's important to consult your doctor before adding high amounts of ginger or turmeric to your diet. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of this anti-inflammatory drink. Aim to drink it daily for at least 1 week to notice a significant reduction in inflammation symptoms. Store the dry ingredients in a cool, dry place to preserve their potency. Over time, you'll likely experience a decrease in joint pain and stiffness, better digestion, and less bloating. Steadier energy levels and less fatigue, an improved mood and mental clarity, and clearer skin, and a healthier complexion. If you've reached this point in the video, I know you're as excited as I am about the potential of this anti-inflammatory drink. Please share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable and inspires others to join on this journey towards better health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health insights and recipes. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.